And we're back at it again, folks, with this outdoor landscape transformation. So what we have here, folks, is a French drainage installation being brought to you by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping in the Landscape Geek Learning Academy, where we help landscape professionals as well as homeowners solve their landscape problems on a consistent basis. And today we got this French drainage installation that's going to be catching all the water that's coming off of this particular landscape. So the water comes from the paver patio, or actually the concrete patio here, that would have had water that comes just from natural rainwater that falls. And as you can see, it's moving to the path of least resistance. And so what we're doing is we're putting in this French drainage system that's going to be able to catch that water and take it to the back of this property. And it's also going to be able to give the customer a solution that's going to last a lifetime, as it's going to move all that water that would have once sat on this particular concreted slab, and it's going to be able to take it into this French drainage system that we've created, and then also be able to solve that by adding the value of this decorative gravel to the landscape design. This is the way in which we enhance outdoor landscape transformations and solve drainage problems. Landscape drainage problems brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping.